Hey everyone! If you're new here, I'm Lila, a current high school student. My goal is to help make chemistry less scary for other students by breaking down concepts into short and simple video lessons. Now, let's get started with today's video. Today, we will be exploring pressure, temperature, and volume, along with their relationships with each other. First, let's take a look at volume. Volume is the amount of space particles are taking up. It is typically measured in liters or milliliters. Next up is temperature. Temperature tells you the average kinetic energy, or speed, of the particles. It is most commonly measured in Kelvin, although Celsius may be used. However, if Celsius is used, a conversion to Kelvin will be necessary. Kelvin is a temperature scale that starts at absolute zero, meaning particle motion is essentially stopped. There are no negative numbers to show how 0 Kelvin is the lowest amount of motion possible. Now on to pressure. Pressure refers to the amount of particle collisions between other particles in the walls of their container. It is most commonly measured in atmospheres, although units of torr, millimeters of mercury, kilopascals, and pounds per square inch are also used. So now you might be wondering how all of these variables relate to each other. When comparing these variables, either a direct or inverse relationship will be observed. A direct relationship means two variables are increasing or decreasing simultaneously, while an inverse relationship would show the variables changing opposite of each other. When looking at temperature and pressure, we will see a direct relationship. When temperature increases, so does pressure. When pressure decreases, so does temperature. This is because when a gas is heated, the particles move faster and collide with their container's walls more frequently. This increased amount of collisions then leads to a rise in pressure. Temperature and volume also have a direct relationship. This is due to the fact that as a gas's temperature increases, the particles are speeding up and will need more space to reduce collisions. As particles begin to occupy more space, the volume will experience an increase as well. On the other hand, pressure and volume have an inverse relationship. This means that when pressure increases, volume will decrease, and when pressure decreases, volume will increase. This is because when volume decreases, the gas particles have less space to move around, resulting in more collisions with each other and the container's walls. More collisions will lead to an increase in pressure. That's all for today's video. I hope this has helped make pressure, temperature, and volume make more sense. Keep watching for more chemistry breakdown videos like this, and feel free to ask any questions you have in the comment section. Thanks for watching!